welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. I'm so excited to have you here today. Hobby Lobby is a great place to find, your base, and then add in cute little pieces maybe each year. But you can find such great deals at Hobby Lobby, and yes, you can get there early and find some things that maybe will go a little bit faster than others, but they keep things pretty stocked with the things that you need just for cute little, whether you want to do big all out type of decorating or you just want to put a few little pieces here and there.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and I'm breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
I am totally loving these bright bunnies. They have kind of like a velvety, in a sense, kind of covering over them. And they have them, I saw them in like 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and large. And I actually picked up a couple of them. And I just think they are so cute for that spring feel and, you know, for your Easter decor.
Plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. You don't know a thing that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. We are young and we got plenty of time. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the open kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing.
Thank you so much for coming along. I hope I gave you some good ideas and you found some things that you liked. I will be having some, probably in a couple of weeks, or maybe about a week, I will start the decorating for Easter. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!